Hello friends, Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 11. We have some awesome exterior progress to share with you today. Yay, I'm so excited to share. As you can see, we've had all the pre-existing cool deck removed from the pool area so that can be redone once all of our concrete work is ready to get finished. We've added a ramp over here. Used to have a step up in this space, so thankful that we were able to get that taken care of, so there's no trip hazard out here. Water still flows away from the house, which is good, but we've got a little ramp so you don't walk up it or down it and stumble in the process. We've got the stucco wrap done. They've done what they need to get all the wire up so that they can install stucco and actually do the finish stucco work. You can see on this end of the house we got all of that accomplished also. We also filled in this little area where we had rock before, so now it can become part of the pool patio. We are going to be applying a decorative top coat to all of this so that we have a consistent look throughout for all of this concrete work. We infilled concrete along the edge of the house over here and along here. Oh, it's going to be so nice. And then all of our new doors are installed. So on this side of the house, they got a new door with access to the bathroom. There is this Pella door has a multi-point locking system on it, so it's very, very secure. And then this bathroom door has a screen in between the glass so that there's privacy for it. As I walk you out here around this pool area, you can see where we've clipped a little piece of this straight and then infilled a little notch there just so we got some extra patio space out of it, and it made their planting bed over here a little bit more consistent with what they were going to be working with later. So we're doing a little patio out there in the back corner of the yard to be a smoking deck to keep it away from the house. Isn't that awesome? So they'll be able to put, it's 12 foot by 12 foot and then it's about 8 foot deep, and we're going to have a lamp out there also, so a post lamp out there for lighting, and then they'll be able to put a little umbrella out there and some chairs and just really enjoy that space. Isn't this great progress today, friends? We've got all this prep for stucco done. We've had our lath inspection so that they've got everything in place and done for that, and these windows and doors all have their space ready to go. Oh, friends, such great progress today. For Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 11. Thank you, friends, for being on this journey with us. We really appreciate it. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.